Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your iPhone if your personal hotspot is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we are going to go and be doing is opening up the settings on our iPhone. So if you do not know how to open up your settings, just go to the home page of your iPhone right here, and from here you can go and tap on the settings icon. That's going to open up your iPhone settings. So from here we can go ahead and get started fixing the problem. Here, as you can see, we have the option for enabling our personal hotspot. You can only do so if your mobile service is turned on. So if you want, you can go and turn it on right here and then enable your personal hotspot. After that, if it's not working, there is a couple of solutions you can try. What you want to do first is start by restarting both devices, and you want to go and turn off and restart the device that is being used as a hotspot and the device that is trying to connect to the hotspot. After that, you can go ahead and try toggling cellular data and airplane mode on and off to see if it's going to fix any problems, and you can go ahead and check your settings as well in your personal hotspot option as well right here. Make sure your password is set to something you know so that the device can connect and the password is correct, and you want to go ahead and make sure to check for updates. Ensure both in your iPhone that there are no carrier settings that are needing updates or your iPhone, and if you've tried all of this, your hotspot should be working, and that's how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.